Paying rent with Bilt is easy, even if your home isn't a part of the Bilt network. If you're a Bilt member, you can pay your rent by check on the Bilt app, an exclusive benefit to members with the Bilt Mastercard. Here's how it works. First, you'll need to open the Bilt app on your phone and navigate to the Pay Rent tab. Then, enter your monthly rent amount and tap Next. Select check as your payment method and enter your check payment details, including your landlord's address. Select your preferred delivery method for the rent check here. You'll want to schedule your check 5 to 7 business days before rent is due, just to be safe. But you can always select FedEx 2-day or FedEx Standard overnight delivery for an additional fee. Tap Next, confirm the details are correct, then tap Pay. That's it. Bilt handles everything from here. We'll print and mail the check to your landlord for you. No stamps, no post office, no hassle. You can even track your payment and set up auto pay so your rent gets paid automatically every month. And the best part, you'll earn rewards with every rent payment without transaction fees.